Well, Happy New Year to you, and thank you for joining me on this beautiful winter's ride. In this video, I'm going to offer some suggestions for making some New Year's resolutions in relation to your motorcycling. New Year, of course, is traditionally a time for re-evaluating life and making some resolutions for what you want to achieve over the next 12 months. And this year, I think that's particularly important for people because COVID and the events of the last few years, the COVID lockdown and all the disruption to life, has really knocked a lot of people sideways, and it's really disrupted people's travel plans. I think a lot of people were planning motorcycle trips that just didn't happen. And so it's time to now, the world is opening up again, travel is becoming much easier. It's time to start making those plans again. But also, I think more generally, many people have really had their momentum knocked out of them and just their general direction in life because of what's happened with COVID. And so it's time now to regroup and start getting those plans together again and really start doing things. So here are my 10 ideas for New Year's resolutions. So number 1, sort through your riding gear. Now this is a really good way, just particularly people are not riding very much, particularly with the weather we've had just over the last few weeks in the UK. So it's a way to sort of reevaluate and really get your enthusiasm going by going through your riding gear and getting planning for the new year. So if you've got leathers, clean your leathers, get some leather cleaning products, give them a good clean. If you've got fabric riding gear, Gore-Tex gear, then reproof, wash it and reproof your riding gear. And also maybe it's time to start planning for replacing some of the things. Maybe you need some new gloves, or maybe you're going to treat yourself to a new helmet or a new jacket or boots or something like that. So January sales is a good time to start having a look around for something, or perhaps planning, and this is looking ahead to one of my other ideas, you're planning ahead to go to some bike shows. But getting your riding gear together and really then getting enthusiastic about getting out there and riding is a good thing to do. My second suggestion is that you should plan one big trip on your bike for this year. One big longer trip on your bike. Now what that will be obviously depends on where you live and how much time you have available and what other commitments, but it's great to get out there on a big trip, and that's something that we've not been able to do with lockdown. Obviously over the last year being able to get out more, but as I said at the beginning, I think a lot of people have lost their momentum, and so they're just they've been waiting to see what happens. So this year, get out there and do that big trip. So maybe if you live in the UK, get overseas, get on an overseas trip, or if you live in Europe or you live in the USA or somewhere on a big continent, then get out of state, get on a big trip that gets you away out of your own state. It's always exciting to go on a longer trip, and that might be a camping trip or staying in hotels, it might be on an organised tour, it might be on your own, or it might be with friends. But it's a great thing to do in the winter months is to plan a nice trip away over the summer. And then my third point, in addition to that idea of a big trip, is to plan some shorter trips away as well. Plan some weekends away, some nice weekend breaks away. Again, could be on your own, could be with friends, but there's nothing like getting away on your on your bike for the weekend. Even if you can get away on a Friday night, or even if you're just on a Saturday morning away for one night, you really feel like you've been on a bit of a venture if you get away. So that's obviously just because the time restriction would have to be somewhere closer to home. But look at somewhere nice, another 200-300 miles away, something like that you can have a decent ride there, have a bit of a look around, enjoy yourself, and get back and feel like you've had a bit of an adventure on your bike. So get planning. And so resolution idea number 4: plan some nice day rides from where you live. So if you get some ideas together, look out for interesting places to visit, maybe places that you've never been that are not too far from where you live, maybe 100, 150 miles from where you live, and then start getting some ideas together for some day trips out. If you've got a GPS, start programming some routes and storing them in your GPS. If you don't have a GPS, then have a look on a map, start marking some ideas up on the map. Then if you do that now, when you have a nice day and you fancy getting out on your bike, you've already got some ideas of where to go, you've already got some routes planned, and you can just jump on your bike and get off and enjoy a great day's riding. So resolution idea number 5 is plan to attend some motorcycle shows and other motorcycle events this year. Go get on the internet and look at some dates of some events and get them in your diary, get them down in your diary. Even if you're not committing 100% to going now, at least if you've got the dates in the diary, you won't miss them, you know when they're on. It's great to get to bike shows. I love going to 2 or 3 bike shows a year if I can, and different ones. They don't have to be big ones, small bike shows, just events that are part of the vibe of motorcycling. Get out there with other like-minded people and sharing that vibe. And so my resolution idea number 6 is to plan to attend some sporting event this year, some kind of motorcycle sporting event. I'm not particularly into motorcycle sport, but I've decided my resolution for this year is I'm going to the Isle of Man TT this year. I have in the past been to various different races. It's always a great day out or a great weekend away, or in the case of the TT, a week away, So again, it's about getting some planning, getting them in your diary. If you don't plan and get things in your diary, they just won't happen because your diary gets full up with other things. So, resolution idea number 7, a bit more controversial this one. Is this springtime the time for you to be looking out for a new bike? Maybe you need to kickstart your yearns, kickstart your enthusiasm of riding for the year by looking out for a new bike. There's nothing that quite fires up your passion to ride than buying a new bike. You get yourself a new bike, you just want to get out there and ride it. You don't care where, you want to get out there and ride it. So maybe that's what you need. You need to be looking out for a new bike. And a new bike doesn't have to be a new one, it can be a second-hand one. But that's something to think about. And again, it's a project for the springtime, having a look around, maybe visiting a few dealers, looking around for second-hand adverts, some ideas for a new bike. Fires up your passion for motorcycling again. And so another resolution idea, number 8 I think this one is. How about taking some training, some rider training, some form of training this year? Could be any kind of training, anything that's about learning new skills or developing your skills, developing your riding skills. So it could be something like taking some advanced road riding, or maybe doing a track day with some tuition, going to a riding school or on a racetrack, or maybe going to wheelie school, learning to pop wheelies. I did that a couple of years ago, went to wheelie school, had a thoroughly good day. So there's all sorts of different training opportunities that you can do. And my idea number 9, which is kind of linked to number 8, is why not try something new? Try some new motorcycling activity, something that you've not done before. So, maybe book yourself onto a day of trials riding if you've never done trials riding, or some kind of an off-road experience. Most of the major manufacturers now have off-road riding schools where you can go for a day or 2 days. You can rent the bike, they provide you with the bike, and you've got an off-road riding experience with excellent tuition. It's a really, really fun thing to do, and again, it just takes your motorcycling in a different direction. So I'd say try some trails riding, or an off-road riding school, or a track day. Just gives you a fresh dimension to your riding, something new, something interesting. And so finally, New Year's resolution idea number 10, how's about joining a new motorcycle club? You may well be in a club or clubs already and you don't want to, but if you're not in a motorcycle club, this is just ideas I'm throwing out there, well, have a look around and see if there's any clubs in your area. It's great finding like-minded people, making new friends that you can share your interests with. And quite often motorcycle clubs are about social activities. It's not just all about the riding. There's lots of other social activities, and it's great, as I say, hanging out with like-minded people who share your interests and your passions. Okay, so there you have it, 10 ideas for motorcycling New Year's resolutions for this new year. So I hope maybe that's given you a bit of inspiration, a bit of enthusiasm to get out there and do some great riding this year. So I hope you do. I'm certainly going to be out riding. I'll probably have my video camera with me, so I'll be recording more videos. So thank you very much for joining me on this ride. Ride safe, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Bye.